What's up, Ellison Squad? It's your girl, Little Star Nia, and I'm back with another video. I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that do it all, and I'm around you, scared to do it. I'm not long as you. So guys, today I am doing another hair video for XC Coco store on Amazon, which is right here. And we have a 28-inch orange and blonde wig. Yeah, which was I think like $26, which is really good. Like no tangles and stuff. And if you know how to take care of your wigs, it will definitely last a while. So inside we have 2 clips on the sides, the middle piece, and the back. So let me show y'all how it look right now before I fix it. So this is how it looks, but we're gonna make the part wider and add some edges and all of that because I don't like the skinny parts. So I'm gonna show you guys how I widen the part and everything, but I'm doing a YouTube video and a TikTok video at the same time, so I'm gonna come back and forth with you guys. So 1 second. So if you guys have seen my videos with my past synthetic wigs, some of them, I showed you guys how to pick up the part so it won't be so skinny. But yeah, I get my synthetic wigs from Amazon. Most of the time human, most of the time synthetic. Well, it's like 50-50 with them. But yeah, seriously. Like, you could tell from the picture that it's good. So basically, what I'm going to do right now is cut this lace piece off all the way to where the lace is. So cut it, and then I'm gonna cut this inside piece with the lace part. So just a little bit until you find that the lace is gonna come up, and we're gonna cut all of that off. So I'm gonna cut that off and I'm gonna come back. So you guys, now that I cut that whole part out, which makes it easier to pull hair out, like when you cut it out, now I'm gonna pull the hair. So this unit came with a comb. Take the hair out. It does shed a little bit, but it's not bad for the price, because like most hair shed, but only like if you really like combing that thing bad. But anyways, I'm gonna part a section. I'm gonna go to the skinnier side actually. Part a little section out because some people like small parts, but me personally, I like to make it bigger than what it is. Not too big, but not too little. So I think I'm gonna pull this much out. So basically what you want to do is just rip it out, literally. Wrap it around your finger like this and pull. Wrap and pull. See, it's getting thicker. So we're gonna continue to do that along the whole wig, and I'm gonna come back. Like, the process is really easy, so I'm gonna show what I'm doing and come back to you guys, show when it's done. So the video won't be so long but not so short, but you guys get what to do. So let me do this. So guys, don't mind all these teddy bears I have. Like, I'm sitting on my bed right now, but you know, I got plastic and stuff down so the hair won't get on my bed. So like my whole bed got plastic on it, but just let you know that. But anyways, now that I have the part to where I want it at, like you can plug it to where you want it, I'm gonna place my glue. So I'm gonna back up the wig cap a little bit, and I just cut my dreads out from the previous video you guys seen right here. I just cut them out, so I have the braids left from there, because you know I did it like the invisible way. So you don't, when you're cutting it out, you don't got to take your braids out, nothing. You just cut it straight down and it's out. So now I'm just gonna put this here, those fine glue. Let me go show TikTok that. Then I'll come back, put the wig on, hold it down through the edges, and then we're done. I'm gonna show you guys the final look, take pictures and stuff, and then whenever I do that, I'm gonna insert this video. So guys, now that the Ghost Bond has dried and just like I've seen, I'm gonna put the wig on. Wait, first I'm gonna close the strap in the back. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my head now. Put it on my head, and I'm gonna put the clips in it. And then I'm gonna pull it up so the lace could get glued down. And then I'm gonna tie it on, and I'm gonna come back to you guys when it's down and we're ready for the edges and to put the makeup in the part. So guys, now what I'm going to do is use the makeup and start to put it in a part. And I'm going to keep doing that. Then I'm going to take it off and put the edges down. So let me go in the mirror so I don't mess this up, and I'm coming back to you guys. So you guys, I am back, and if you guys would like to send me wigs, in the description is my business email, or if you guys want this wig, it's in the description also below. The link will be there. So now that I have the makeup in the part, I'm gonna take the headband off. And we see it's down, so let me get some spray real quick. So guys, I'm back, and I just got the spray. Ebin red can. I'm just gonna spray it some, and then I'm gonna get a toothbrush, an edge brush, and brush it out. So this video is not the best, y'all, because it's like after 12 at night right now. It's like after 12 a.m. right now, and I kind of woke up and I was like, let me do this wig. So we're just gonna part out the baby hairs. So we got the baby hairs out. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this part in the mirror again because I'm in the camera right now and I don't want to like make any mistakes. So you guys, I did my edges, and for right now, this will be the end of the video because everything's basically done. I just gotta like do some finishing touches. But when I take pictures and stuff, I'm gonna show you guys. But yeah, this is how it came out. I'll show you guys more in the morning time, probably like when I'm getting dressed or whatever. And when I take pictures, probably like by the end of the week, then the video will go out. So yeah, let me go to bed because I do gotta get up early tomorrow. And it's past 12, probably like 1 now. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this little video. It's gonna continue, but like, yeah, like I said, it's not the best because I just did this out of nowhere. But yeah, so thank you guys.